Hello Sachem friends, this is Miss Christine coming with a book and a craft for you for Monster Week. First we're going to do the book. Right now we're going to read Beware the Monster by Michael Escoffier, and I hope you enjoy it. Beware the Monster. Warning! This book contains a monster with a great big appetite. Not here. That's a cow. Ah, there he is. Well, yes, he does look pretty small, but that's because he's far away. Be very quiet or you'll wake him. Drat! You woke him up! Wait. What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he ate all the apples! Oh, you're lucky he hasn't noticed you. Look! He ate all the leaves! I think you better hide. Oh no! He ate all the trees! Get down, quick! Moo? Wait a minute. Where are the cows? Don't tell me. Yikes! I think he spotted you. You've got to get away. Here he comes. Close the book. Well, why didn't you close it? Now you're in trouble. There's no escape.
Well, well, a little child, my favorite dish. Come here. Don't be scared. You look delicious. I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to have a little nap. I'll take care of you later. The end.
Thanks for joining us. Hello Sachem friends, this is Miss Christine doing our monster craft for Monster Week. Today we're going to make a monster bookmark. So when you pick up your craft materials from the library, you should have a pipe cleaner in your bag. You should have a clothespin, a puff ball of some sort, 2 googly eyes and 2 sticky eyes, and you can choose either one of those to use with this craft, and 2 beads. From home, you're going to need some sort of marker, and if you use the googly eyes, you will need some glue. If you use the sticky eyes, you won't need the glue. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your clothespin and you are going to color it any color you want, just like that. You can use a marker, you can use paint, you can use anything you want. And when you are done, it should look like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our eyes. Now, we're giving you 2, but you can have a monster with 1 eye if you like. But I'm going to put 2 right here. There's 1 right here on my monster, and I'll put a second one right below it, just like this. Okay, hold it down for a few seconds and then your eyes will be on there just like that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we are going to put the beads on it. So put 1 on one end right here and 1 on the other end right here, and then you're going to take the 2 ends and you're going to fold them into the middle. Okay, so what you want is you want these beads to be right at the end of the pipe cleaner like this, and right at the end like this, okay? And then we're gonna twist them a little so the beads don't fall off. And this pipe cleaner is going to make the arms of your monster. So once you've done that, you're going to take your clothespin and your monster arms, and you're going to put them all the way down in here. Okay, so it's going to look kind of like that. All right, you can do some fun things with them. You can put them up like this, put one down like that, just like that. And of course, the last thing your monster needs is some monster hair. You're going to take your puff ball, you need to put it right there, and just adjust your arms a little bit so the weight is equally distributed. And there you go. You have your little monster bookmark, or you can just have him sitting on a table just like that. I hope you enjoyed our craft today. We will see you soon, and have a great week.